What's going on, guys? TK Prime, Master Wealth Builders LLC, coming back at you, and I'm really trying to convey the benefit. I told you guys about the concept. Another person told me that, hey, black people just don't understand the benefit, right? So I was going back and forth with a client, and the cost of insurance over a course of a year was $6,000, and they were complaining about how they could save the $6,000 in a bank and not lose it to the insurance company. So I'm really trying to convey the benefit, right? And I'm talking about in comparison to not paying the insurance company $6,000. It's just like saying, why would I pay for car insurance when somebody hits my Mercedes? I can just pay for it myself. I mean, the concept of leveraging insurance to create wealth seems to be hard for people to grasp. When you talk about a savings account that grows with you because a portion of your bill goes towards your cash value compounding at 6 to 8%, that's more than what you can get with a traditional bank account, right? So in addition to your savings account, you have a death benefit and you have the ability to take out a loan in relation to how much you save. So the loan value, the cash value that grows in your savings account, plus the death benefit, plus the living benefit, whereas you get a larger amount if you get sick. You get older, you come down with something, you get in a car accident. If anything happens to you, part of having that insurance means that you get a check when you get sick, so you can help financially recover whatever that sick situation is. So there are more benefits than keeping $6,000 in the bank as opposed to paying it to the insurance company. Just like if someone hits your car, like I said, if you pay for it yourself, it's going to be a higher financial burden than having car insurance and having the company help you fix your car. So life insurance is the same concept. And I struggle sometimes because when you talk about conveying the benefit and you talk about people not understanding how it helps you, right? And how it can contribute to your retirement, because you have options and riders like income for life. Um, whatever amount you save to, you get paid that same amount until you turn 120. That doesn't come with a 401k. That doesn't come with a pension. Typically, whatever you save to, when it depletes, it depletes. And if you outlive your retirement with those plans, there's nothing you can do about it. So the average 401k is only 300,000 when you need 2 million to effectively live a high lifestyle in retirement. So how do you get your savings to 2 million if you're not leveraging other systems, right? So an IUL is a system that you can leverage. An annuity is a system that you can leverage. And then you add protection when you have a trust. So you need to, I don't know. I can't say you need to do anything. I can just say that it's a smart thing to do, and it's what used to be reserved to the ultra rich. These are advanced wealth strategies that I kind of present to you guys. These are strategies that used to be exclusive to certain communities, and this information was never brought down, right? It's now 2024, so the information has been released and brought down to, everyday people, and anyone who wants to participate can, because the glass ceiling's been removed. So when I talk about advanced wealth strategies and using leverage in order to create wealth, and I talk about you positioning your money so that it works for you, where you're more asset focused, a cash value life insurance policy is an asset. And then you put that asset in your trust to protect it, right? An annuity is an asset. So you put that annuity in a trust in order to protect it. These are advanced wealth strategies. When you talk about an IUL that pays you $3 to every $1 you put in it using OPM, right? That's an advanced strategy, because you earn up to 60% more. And that's how you get to that $2, $3, $4 million retirement, because you're using someone else's money plus your money. They're giving you $3. They're matching you $3 to every $1 you put in. So that's something that small businesses can use to keep employees as a benefit. And typically that's where we see it. But individuals and families can do it too, as long as you qualify for the participation, because it's an aggressive advanced strategy. It requires more funds, and it requires more, a minimum income in order to even sign up. But what I'm trying to say is that I'm presenting something that can help you. You know what I mean? There's no reason to fight against what I'm presenting. I'm talking to people who are fighting with me against what I'm presenting as if this is going to hurt you. Having coverage, having peace of mind, not having to go fund me is not going to hurt you. This is not something that is counterproductive to your life. It's not something that's going to take away from your success. It actually adds to. And when I'm the type of person that I seek knowledge, and I always knew that there were other ways. So I fought to get into those secret rooms where rich people talk about how and where to put their money. So once I become a licensed wealth strategist, I'll get exposed to more tactics, more principles, more strategies, more mediums that can allow you to succeed. And then I start presenting that to people, and it's new to them, right? But there's nothing new under the sun. You can read a book. You can have a book read to you with Kindle and audiobooks. There's no excuse in the 21st century. You discount what I say, but you can verify what I say, because they all come with receipts. I'm a medium to give you access to a product or a service. But the service that's being offered doesn't come from my company. I represent the companies that offer services, because insurance companies don't sell directly to the public. So you can read about any one of the carriers that I'm contracted with. If you don't understand Kaizen, if you don't understand IULs, if you don't understand annuities, you can use the internet. You can go to Barnes & Noble. You can have audiobooks read to you. There is a due diligence study portion where you can educate yourself on what you don't know. Just because I'm presenting it to you and it's a new concept to you doesn't mean that it's a new concept to the world. This is, 100-year-old strategy. Annuities go back to Roman time. IULs have been around for the past 20 years. So if it's a new strategy to you, that doesn't mean that it's new. So don't discount it in terms of how it can help you, how it could advance your life as a wealth gain, and don't dismiss it. These items that I'm presenting to you truly will help you. And I know I can't help everyone. If you watch this video and it goes over your head, what can I do? But I am trying to knock on your door virtually and bring you the concept. And I'm trying to show you the benefit of having coverage, the benefit of not having to go fund me, the benefit of having a family trust, the idea of using leverage in order to accomplish wealth. There are a lot of counterproductive information that say don't, but diversified portfolios should include insurance as a leverage to get to your wealth goals. And I'll leave you guys with that.